What up? It's Will We Tell, a home technology expert. We're over at another job site in Anaheim Hills, California, where we're working for a wonderful lady that works out of her house. She had Buy Geek Squad come over less than a year ago, and they installed a SimpliSafe Alarm system that she absolutely hates. She says, Will, get rid of this thing. I'm so unhappy with it. And we're also ripping out a Netgear Orbi mesh Wi-Fi router that just cuts in and out, and it does not perform well. She works out of the house, and that is not acceptable. And of course, I installed the best Wi-Fi router, an eero Pro Wi-Fi 6E mesh router and Wi-Fi booster antennas throughout the house. And here you can see that I installed the best, a Ring Video doorbell, but this is the professional version Ring Video doorbell, which works much, much better. Looking back inside of the house, you could see the Ring alarm system. Here you could see the alarm keypad, and the alarm keypad works together with a bunch of sensors that I put around the house. Here you could see that I use Ring alarm glass break sensors that of course listen out for that glass breakage if you have a home intrusion. And along the doors and the windows, I have these Ring alarm contact sensors throughout the house that work together in conjunction with smoke, alarm, and carbon monoxide detectors throughout the house. What a great value, a Ring alarm system, only $200 per year, less than $17 per month. Now let's take a look at the driveway. This is something else that was done that just doesn't make any sense. You have a SimpliSafe camera out here in the driveway that is running off of a solar panel. I mean, it's just absolutely horrible, right? You need these things to work properly because with this camera, it ends up draining way too fast because it's pointed right towards the sidewalk and the street. And so the way to do it right, the way to do it the home technology expert way, is to install a hardwired Ring floodlight camera that doesn't run off of the battery and it won't drain when you need it the most. Besides updating the alarm system and the Wi-Fi, inside of the living room, we also updated the TV and the audio system. We installed a Sonos Beam soundbar speaker. Sounds awesome, right? But we paired it together with a Sonos wireless Mini Subwoofer. When do you use a Sonos Mini Subwoofer? And that's when you have a really mini, small, quaint living room just like this. Look how tiny this thing is. I mean, this is when really you use the Sonos Mini wireless subwoofer. But other than that, if the room is a more decent size, it's a bigger size, you definitely want to go with the bigger brother, the Sonos Premium Subwoofer. But this is the right subwoofer for this particular room, and it sounds absolutely great. And I paired it together with a couple Sonos wireless portable speakers, Move speakers, that you could play music upstairs, downstairs, and also in the patio. And of course, I connected a simple to use Apple TV 4K. So tell me, what do you think about the new home technology expert system here? What do you think? You like it? Oh, you love it! Can you say what up? Say what up! That's so awesome. Elmo absolutely loves the system. And shout out to Elmo's mom, Emilia. Thank you so much for inviting home technology expert to come over and upgrade your alarm system, fix your Wi-Fi internet, and give you an upgrade on your audio and your video. If you would like to get something done like this, go to hometechexpert.com.